Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change Netflix language from Hindi to English. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, just simply go to your Netflix profile and then click to this drop down menu and go to Manage Profile. Then select a profile which you are using, and then you can see display language, audio and subtitled language, and subtitle appearance. You just simply have to select where you want to change the audio or the language from Hindi to English. I'm selecting this audio and subtitle language, and as you can see here, I have marked my audio and subtitle as Hindi. Just simply unmark this Hindi option, and then your audio and subtitles will be English from Hindi. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the Quick Guide. Thank you for watching the video.